Aloe vera is not only used as food for humans but also has great effects in growing plants. Aloe vera is very nutritious, so today I will use it to sprout tomato seeds. After sowing tomato seeds into aloe vera slices, we add soil and spray water evenly into the nursery pot in a cool place. To use kitchen compost in the process of growing plants, I use a 1.2-liter plastic bottle with a hole and cut off the top. Make an automatic green fertilizer system for plants. I use 2 discarded paint cans, cut off a section and put them together. And don't forget to punch drainage holes to avoid waterlogging. To help the plant grow comprehensively and provide diverse nutrition, when planting, I use worm castings and rice husks mixed into the soil. In addition to providing nutrients, worm castings are harmless to humans and have high antibacterial properties. Rice husks help loosen the soil and prevent erosion very well. When putting soil into the planting box, we put the bottle of green manure in the middle. The green manure will provide nutrients for the 2 plants on both sides of the box. Once the tomato seeds germinate healthily, we will start planting them. I use organic fertilizer from discarded vegetables and fruits, low cost and no waste. Ten-day-old healthy tomatoes. I will dig the soil, help metabolism, and pull weeds. We can also cut off some branches at the base to help concentrate nutrients for the tree to grow. In addition to adding soil to the plant, I also use liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish. This fertilizer is very nutritious for the plant. When the tree flowers, this stage is very important, so I will cut off all the branches at the base, fertilize the tree. This will help the tree have enough energy to grow, flower, and fruit. To help the tree produce better fruit and prevent pests, I mix 1 onion clove with water and spray evenly on the leaves. In less than 2 months, thanks to my careful care, the tomatoes have produced many large and ripe fruits. Now I can harvest them. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.